And today we got the Joker Lego alarm clock. This is going to be so excited. My old one broke it and we got the new one. And it's from the Batman movie and it has a picture of the Batman.
It's Lego. It's Lego Batman.
And the Joker.
Dad, Jackson, it's Lego Batman.
Alright, so.
Jackson, it's Lego Batman.
I know. Let's see. And we have all of the things that we have on the back side. Okay, on the back we have the sound. You can turn the sound up or you can turn the sound down. And there's also the Joker that you can push his head down like that. And that's why. So let's open this thing up and let's have some fun. Right. This is going to be so exciting.
Anyone want to, Daddy, can I take a look? Jackson,
Right. Let's open this up.
there's a feet. Needs hope.
Oh, we need scissors for this.
Get the scissors and case.
Alright, right here we got scissors. We got scissors.
I'm afraid that people are gonna watch us on YouTube and think like we're dumb.
We're not dumb.
Just kidding.
Okay,
I take that word back.
There we go. Let's open this up. Oh, look, and it even has a Star Wars. Wait, these are actually the other alarm clocks. There's more alarm clocks. There's a Superman, a fireman, and they also have the Batman
And the Lego
Ninja and the Star Trooper. All right, here we go. The Joker needs alarm clock. Here, let's try to.
Do you need my help?
No, we got it. Here, let's just open this up the correct way. Correct. And now let's get some scissors and let's pull them out. Let's just get them out. No, I think we got a question.
That's for my.
Wait. Oh, that's stuff.
Daddy had this game, but it's called Sly Cooper. Do you guys know about Sly Cooper or not? It's not on YouTube.
Go. And this. There we go. And his head, like. Oh, yeah, that needs to be cut.
Do not cut the system.
There we go. Oh, his legs too.
Legs?
His legs.
Oh my God! Did they put all over his body?
There we go. And here he is. Hey, look, he also has his.
And he can also look, Daddy. And he's like, ha ha ha.
Look at that to see. Here's some buttons on the correct side. This is actually the coolest. And when you hit his head, it glows. Look at that. See? And when it hits, you can actually touch this. And he's like a giant Lego guy, and he's actually the coolest alarm clock. This one says time said, and this one says mew, and this one says and you can also turn it on, and you can also turn it off.
And and here's the globe.
No, we already showed that. And you see, you can move his legs. Let's see if he can all right, so let's see here. And he's like, let's see if we can try to set the alarm. Okay, let's try hitting it one more time. That is pretty cool. It's like the coolest alarm clock that I ever seen. Like what the heck? Guys, now we have to wait for it to.
We're very sorry. What happened?
All right. We'll just need It's like a great
No clock.
Smart. 26 years ago, I got the Doctor Who alarm clock, but.
No, you mean last year.
No, last year. Last year I got that on Easter, but now it broke and I got a new one.
You mean broke?
I didn't even notice.
Anyone want soda?
Shh. We have to let it beep.
so nervous.
I hope it doesn't beep loud. Daddy, that's sleeping talking. Stop sleeping. I think we just have to wait for it to go. Like, what? Okay. It's gonna sound like the original.
Just
Oh! Oh, there it goes! There it goes! Hey, Daddy! Daddy!
how do you turn off it?
Well, that's a good question. See? Watch. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was awesome.
Okay, everybody.
Alright, everybody. Thank you for watching
And
the Old Joker.
And do you want a group pens?
Claire, don't ruin the video. Anyway, this was so cool. Bye, everybody.
Bye. I hope you go quiz.